On October 13, 2022, Arkansas State Police Trooper Joseph Killian tried to stop a black Kawasaki ZXJ motorcycle that had no license plate, but it quickly became clear that the rider had no intention of pulling over.
Go ahead and show me 1037.
As the suspect hit the throttle and ran red lights, the trooper stayed right on his tail, weaving through traffic and sharing real-time updates over the radio to coordinate with backup.
Avenue and Emerson Street. Speed 71, still northbound. Broadway, West 16th, northbound, speeds 80.
As the chase dragged on, the trooper's truck closed the gap multiple times, but the suspect remained defiant, weaving through lanes as if he had nothing to lose.
Speed above 111.
Looks like a black male, green backpack, black helmet.
Copy, coming up on leaving.
Just as the trooper was about to corner the suspect, everything shifted in an instant. What followed was so sudden and shocking that it left everyone in disbelief.
Westbound on Allen.
10-4, Allen and Chandler. He's on foot, he crashed out.
Get on the ground! I'll shoot you! I'll shoot you! He's on fire! He's on fire! Get extinguisher! Extinguisher! He's on fire! Put your hands behind your back!
The suspect was later identified as Christopher Gaylor.